The process of making the standing seam panels at Wagler Steel is once we get an order, we'll take a coil off the rack, put it on the roll former, and then we'll go to the computer, punch in the different lengths, and it could be up to 5, 6, 7 different lengths in one order. Then the roll former will just form the panels and cut them to length at the same time. And then as we form the panels, we'll put them into a crate and package them up for shipment. We have the smooth finish panels. We have about 10 of those colors. And then we also have about 8 colors of crinkle finish. And what makes them different is the crinkle is more of like a matte or textured finish. And when you look at the panel, you don't see any oil canning, whereas with the smooth, sometimes you will see a little bit between the ribs. And so people really like the crinkle finish for standing seam panels. Our standard panel has a 16-inch coverage when it's installed on the roof. And as far as length, we can go anywhere from just 1 or 2 feet long to up to 35 feet, depending on the size of your roof. The standing seam panel is 26 gauge thickness, and it's primarily used for roofing, and which would be house roofs or light commercial buildings. If you have any questions about our standing seam metal roofing, just visit our website or give us a call.